just going to take away the pillows, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, with cranking noise and relax. Cheers. One more, flop, flop, flop. Good, and relax, thank you. Cool. And just lift up your head again for me, please. Just stay flat. I just want to do one. Cross over, hold on to your shoulders. And relax, thank you very much.
Thank you, that was a big one.
That was a big one. So is that?
So do you have some like patients then who need emergency appointments or something?
Yeah, and these are like really bad people. Yeah, so in comparison to that, those you're in a lot better neck. Hold on in there, cool, and just relax. Perfect. And then roll onto the side for me, please. And then straight. And now have a lay onto your belly for me, please.
Yeah.
Lovely. That will definitely be in the video. Lovely, lovely. Alrighty then. So we're